So that makes me more happy, more joy. So if the people are happy with your support and with your help, obviously you will be happy. If your people are sad because of you, obviously you will be sad and worried. So I always try to make others happy. I always think about the happiness of others. Then when think about happiness of others and entire the globe and entire the universe, I also get the same happiness and more and happiness because I'm also part of in that universe. If I pray God, everybody should live happy. Everybody should understand the truth. Everybody enjoy their life. If I mention everybody, I'm also in that. Instead of I only should happy, my family should happy, my children should happy. If you pray for everyone, you also be happy. You are also part of in that. So always try to help others. Try to think about others. We only live here certain time. Only for some time we live here. When the time comes, we leave from here. We leave this body and we go into other dimensions. Again we come. Again we take birth. We choose parents. We land here, different places, different parents, different religion, different country. Again we start our journey from mother womb to old age. So this is the life cycle. The life cycle of the human soul. Keep on coming to this planet Earth to learn lessons. These are the lessons are very simple, friends. It's a very easy to identify. No need to struggle to identify the lessons. It is very easy to identify the lessons. So only you need to understand why you are here. The purpose of your life. When you understand you are here only for learning, only for knowing about this planet Earth, the relationship, emotions, feelings, then it is easy for you. Then you don't attach it with anything. Then you don't attach it with your worries. Then you don't attach it with your property. There is no possession. My property, my family, my children, my country, nothing. When you understand about you, when you understand your purpose of life, when you understand you are here to learn the lessons. All the lessons are difficult, challenging. So there is a lesson how you are handling that situation. If you put efforts, you try to work on it, you will get the support from the God, the universe. So you have to put the efforts to work on your challenges. Then obviously you will get the support from the God. If you are sitting and not doing anything, you don't get anything. You have to at least one step forward. One step forward with your courage to face the challenge. Then everything comes to you. So, friends, we are all here to learn the lessons. Lesson 1, knowing about you, about your life and death, life before birth, life after death. Who are you? And lesson 2, about your qualities of life. So, what kind of qualities you are having? Are you a helpful person? Are you a greedy person? Are you selfish? What kind of qualities you are carrying? Are you hurting every time others? Or are you helping others? Are you sharing your love, compassion to others? So, what kind of qualities you are having? Are you egoistic? You will not happy if somebody is growing, your friends or your family or your surroundings, somebody known person, if they are growing, they well settled. Are you not happy? So we need to identify this. Why I'm not happy if somebody is growing? Why I'm not happy if somebody is happy? So, friends, you need to understand all this. This is the life. These are the lessons of life. Are you worrying about everything which happened last week or yesterday or 1 year before, 2 years before? Are you still worrying? Why you are still worrying? It was happened in the past. Why you are keeping in your memory? Is it good for you? It's make you happiness? No. Then why are remembering? Why don't you delete that memory? Are you here in this present moment? So you need to understand. You need to think about yourself, not others. When you think about yourself, you understand the truth, the true essence of you, the pure essence of you. Everything is you. Everything is you, friends. That is inside. You must go inside. All you need to decide whether I should go inside or should go outside. You have to think. If you're still thinking about outside situations, you will not work out. You're still leading a worry life, sad life, troublesome life. Go inside or find the truth. Then everything outside will be disappear. Because something is there to learn inside, not outside. I will tell you one of my example. When I was working in MNC, it was my first job. I was also practicing meditation. So what happened when I was in first job? Always I had challenges with my boss. That happens for everyone. I do work very effective and I get appreciation from many people, my higher authority. But still, there is some ego clash with me and my boss. Then I quit the job. Then I joined in another company, another top MNC. There also I performed very well. Again, there is a problem with my boss. Again, I quit the job and I joined in another company. So there also again problem with my boss. Then I suddenly slowed down. I started to think about what is happening. Is the problem with the boss or problem with the me? Wherever I go, I get the problem with the boss. Then I understood that problem is not with the boss, problem with me. Then when I accepted my problems, my faults, then immediately there is no problems between my boss and me. It was very cool. Then once I learned that lesson, I left my job from there. Then I started my journey into meditation completely. I move into the different dimension, different level. So when I learn the lesson, it's clear, the problem solved. If I not learn that lesson, that keep on coming. Even if I quit that job and go to other company, they're also same problem. If you change the country, they're also same problem. So always what I telling you that look inside if any challenges comes, not outside. There is no other person to blame. There is no other person to complain. The only one you can have wisdom to understand everything. That wisdom you can find through meditation. So go inside every day. Find the truth. Just wait. Just wait. I also mentioned yesterday why we are getting the problems, though you are the good person. I'll tell you one more story. So when during Buddha times, one cruel fellow, you can say evil person, he killed everyone. He killed every person fingers and put it like a garland. And wherever he go, different villages, people scared. People close their doors and hide in the room, houses. So one day this fellow met Buddha. So by meeting Buddha, Buddha didn't worried. Buddha didn't fear. So with his Buddha presence, with his Buddha teachings, he enlightened. He realized what he was doing wrong. Then he stopped doing the all cruelty. Then he started meditating. Then he started doing the good things. So after 2 or 3 years, so he went to villages. The cruel person start going for some food. He went to villages. Then people are identified. He is the person. He was killing everybody. So let us all gather to kill him, beat him. Then everybody started hitting him. The person didn't do anything. Though he's capable to fight all of them, he didn't do. He realized that he made mistakes before. Whatever he has done before, that he's experiencing now, he accepted. Then other people realized that he also changed. Our life also like that. We may think that we are a good person, still we have challenges. Of course, you are a good person now, you realized. Unknowingly, unconsciously, we have done so many mistakes in our previous lifetimes. So that we are facing challenges, then accept it. So don't blame anyone. Don't complain anyone. Just accept it. Then move on. That's all. Everything is you. Everything is outside as a reflection of you. You are the mirror. 100%. This is 100% truth. You are the mirror. So once you change your inner system, everything changes outside. So for that, we are doing every day meditating, meditating, meditating to change our inner system, to purify our system, to clean all the bad things. We don't know what are the bad because we think that that is a good. We speaking negatively. We thought it's a good, but that is a bad, really. So we are purifying. The energy knows what is a good and what is a bad. So bad will take out from the roots. The universe is ready to help you. The universe is only asking you to empty your mind. You just sit and empty your mind. I will take care. So we should do. We should sit and empty our mind. That's all. Then everything, universe will take care. It format all our viruses and reinstall the new wisdom. It is there already. It activates. So friends, please do meditation every day. Be with your breath. Always, whenever you have time. More and more, spend your time. Forget about your worries. Forget about your worries. Don't bring to here. Don't bring to in this present moment. Forget. Then you see how the life transforms. It slowly transform. It is not a suddenly. It will not transform. It's take a time. You need to have patience. Okay, friends. Now let us sit in a meditation. Let us all go into a deep, empty state. Let us all silent our mind. So sit in a comfortable, relaxable posture. So make yourself comfortable, friends. You can drink your water and you can stretch your legs and sit again. So there is no hurry, comfortable posture. Don't move your body again during meditation. Try to be sit properly before starting meditation. You can switch off your lights and you can also have some fragrances, and those fragrances will help you to go into a deep meditative state. Sit in a comfortable, relaxable posture. So there is no hurry now, friends. There is nothing to do now. Just relaxing. I'm going to play the music. So along the music, we'll be meditating. Sit in a comfortable posture. Cross your both hands, fingers. Cross your legs and close your eyes. Just observe your natural breathing. Incoming, incoming and outgoing breath. If any thoughts comes, cut your thoughts and come back to the breath. Last 1 minute. Seconds. Seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Please keep your both hands, fingers on your eyes. And gently open your eyes. Welcome back, friends. Today we have done 32 minutes of meditation. If anybody would like to share your experiences, I would like to ask any questions, you can raise your hands. No questions? Okay, good. Now sharing. Hope everybody did meditation today. Yes. Okay. Okay, friends, then thank you. Thank you very much. And see you tomorrow. Thank you. Good night.
खुदा हाफिज।
Khudafis.